The join command. Open one B template that was created in article creating a new template. The join command joins the endpoints of linear and curved objects to create a single object. You can select the join tool on the dashboard, or click the Modify menu and select Join. You can see two lines on the screen. Select the Join tool. AutoCAD prompts select Source Object. Click the first line. AutoCAD prompts select objects to join. Click the second line. Right-click. You can see result on the screen.